Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mags here, coming at y'all with a market review from September 13th, 2024. Today's Friday, and I was not eager to trade today. You should never be eager to trade, but what I mean by that is that I was already up on the week, so me taking a trade, it had to have been almost perfect, you know what I mean? So, without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. So, on my bias for today, I wanted to get these equal highs here. So that was my target right here. From then, from what the market gave us, it was very choppy today. We had Biden speaking at 10 a.m., which caused some crazy volatility I've never seen before. Uh, but let's get right into this trade here. So this was Biden right here, 10 a.m. You see here, Friday, we had the prelim, double prelim, and then President Biden speaks at 10 in his orange folder. Look what it did. That was like a red folder move. But jumping straight into it, um, at 10 a.m. So I came in 9:30, and I didn't see anything I liked because I wanted to long off of this fair value gap here, 15 minute. But what created that gap, I'm sure, was this and this, this and this. But when that happened, I just wanted to sit on my hands right here. This 10 a.m. candle, this made me want to sit on my hands until something clear popped up. So once we took data highs, which is the 10 a.m. high, I was I was watching for a short. I didn't want to be short, but this was a nice market structure shift with the inverse fair value gap closing right here. So that at first you could see on my stream, I limited an order here, but it just ran without me. I was thinking about it the whole time here, but once we reached this gap, that's when I was more attentive to what price was doing as well. So on MNQ, we did not sweep this low, but on NQ, we did. So let me just show you guys that. As you can see, this is obviously taken right here. Same exact price as MNQ. So from there, I was like, okay, that's really strange that it didn't actually go through. But from there, I was watching price as if this did get ran through. So we came up from this low, created that short term, that swing high right here. We displaced the swing high and inverted the gap, and there was no other support left all the way until up here. So that's what triggered me to go long, especially coming off of that 15-minute gap. We were under the morning equilibrium, under midnight, or really close to midnight at least. But I did put a limit here, and once I got triggered in, it was no drawdown. We just kept pushing up, and I TP'd here. I did want those highs, but those were outrageously high. All I needed was this move right here. Like, I didn't need much, to be honest. But yeah, so it was basically a sweep of the data lows into the fair value gap, the 15-minute fair value gap, and then we watched for a displacement on the 1 minute to make a 1 minute market maker buy model. So this would be your key interest, the smart money reversal, onto the buy side of the curve to target this liquidity here. But really, that's pretty much it for the trade. I waited and waited and waited. I was here since 9:30. I had to wait an hour to actually find a trade that I would execute on, and that would be good to execute on. But on my strategy, I usually aim for 2R, which it would have been hit, barely been hit right here. See, this candle took that. The high of this candle is 560.75. My 2R would have been 560. But other than that, guys, that would be it for today. I almost went short and I would have got cooked. But I was very attentive to my daily bias and how we swung this low here on regular NQ. And the way we shifted up from then. You know, it interested me a lot to go long again. But yeah, guys, other than that, uh, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace.